Former Vice President Leni Robredo's then spokesperson is dismissing claims that she had a secret alliance with her successor, Vice President Sara Duterte. Here's the report.
Former Senator Sonny Trillanes claims that Vice President Sara Duterte has a deep relationship with her predecessor, Leni Robredo. On Storycon, Trillanes said it even influenced the stance of some key opposition figures when it came to the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte.
During the course of the campaign, sinabi nila na ang position nila sa ICC ay hindi nila i-recognize yung jurisdiction at hindi nila ibibigay si Digong sa ICC kung naging presidente si Leni. Ngayon, in fact, as late as last year, nire-request yan sa akin nila Bam Aquino na baka daw, kung pwede daw i-delay yung pag-issue ng arrest warrant kay Digong dahil baka daw makakaapekto sa kandidatura nila. Talagang merong alyansa sila eh.
Trillanes also alleged that Sara and Leni's alliance go as far back as the presidential elections of 2022. He also cited what happened in September last year when Duterte visited Robredo in Naga City. The former senator also called out the former VP's silence on impeachment moves against her successor.
Yung Rosa, alam niyo yung Rosa, Robredo, Sara, na coalition. Na to the point na nung isang rally namin sa Pangasinan, hindi nila pinaakyat si then VP candidate Kiko Pangilinan sa entablado. Kasi nga dun sa Robredo-Sara alliance. So meron ng ganon ever since. Up to now, si Mayor Leni has yet to say anything about the impeachment trial of Sara Duterte. Alam mo, malakas na boses yan. Leni, pero she's quiet. Tapos yun na nga, yung binisita doon. Alam nyo, based sa information namin, yung pagbisita doon sa Naga, ano yun eh, maagang na-set yun. Hindi naman yun yung 30 minutes na short notice. Kumaga, naman tayo, ginagawa tayong parang bata. Alam natin yon. Tapos talagang he knows niya. And ako, bilang insider doon sa mga pink, talagang alam namin na may mga ganun sila nagalaw.
Robredo's former spokesperson, Attorney Barry Gutierrez, however, questioned Trillanes' claims. On the big story, he pointed out that VP Sara repeatedly attacked Robredo during her term as vice president.
If Sara Duterte and Leni Robredo were friends, particularly in the 6 years where we were in the OVP and VP Leni was vice president, she certainly had a strange way of showing it.
Gutierrez also denied the alliance between Sara and Leni during the 2022 elections.
She had only one vice presidential candidate, and that was Senator Kiko Pangilinan. We went on record several times to emphasize that precisely because there were some groups, and this is again a matter of record. There were some groups, the group of former Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez. They threw their support behind VP Leni Robredo sometime March, April of 2022, late in the campaign. And my understanding was, their position was, it should be a Leni Sara ticket.